medalists in dance sports, chess, and taekwondo. Ladies and gentlemen, from Asia's Latin City, Zamboanga City Athletic Association, no hay cosa imposible. Cre, junto, puede! Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome once again Pagadian City Athletic Association for